Hello guys, today I'll be talking about how you can identify the safest crypto exchange to buy bitcoins, because a lot of people bought bitcoins today and they find it difficult to sell because the exchange is not safe. A lot of people bought a lot of coins today and they lost it to hacks and scams because of what? The wrong exchange. So today we'll be looking at how you can actually find this particular safest exchange for you to start trading. So if you're actually thinking of where to buy Bitcoin, or if you're not sure of where to buy Bitcoin, or if you're not sure the exchange to trust, today I'll be walking you through all of that so that you can actually know how to identify the safest exchange for you to start trading on. But before I go into that deeply, I will show you what exactly is even this exchange, crypto exchange. A crypto exchange is a platform where you can buy successfully and also sell successfully without problems. A platform that has a regulations and also illegal compliances. So you must look at a particular exchange if it has a regulations and also a compliance. You look at the exchange if it operates in a countries with a strict financial regulations. You also look for license and partnership. They are very important. Look for license and partnership with regulated institutions. Okay, a regulated exchange also often provide KYC. KYC means know your customer. Alright, so examples of those regulated exchanges, the one I'm going to mention here is CoinEx. It's highly regulated. It's a regulated exchange. You can find out about that, and I will tell you why I use this particular exchange. Okay, then it must also have a security infrastructure. Okay, the cold storage funds should also be held offline as cold storage, cold wallet. It protects against hack. It's very important. So every users should enable this. And for a particular exchange to be legit for you to buy, it must have a two-factor authentications. They are very important. I've talked about that in the past. Okay, there must also be a withdrawal list, a security audit, and also a lot of more. For a particular exchange also to be legit for you to use, you must look for its insurance funds and users protections. The insurance funds and also the users protections. Check also for the reputations and track record. You must all go through all of those details. Otherwise, when you buy a particular crypto coin with a particular exchange you don't know much about, you lost your coin and also lost your fund. There must also be liquidity and also a trading volume. So why does this one matters? The low volume exchange may have price manipulations or slippage. This is why it matters. You must check of this. So safety is not just security, it also market health. You must know about this. Check about the safety and a lot more of it. Okay, and if you check it out, all those features are found in CoinEx. Look at the CoinEx safely, look at its support, look at its security, look at its all necessary details. Okay, in order for you to what? To keep engaging in it and also make a lot of rational profit for yourself, also make a safety purchase for yourself. This is why I actually prefer trading or buying Bitcoin with CoinEx, because of its security features. Okay, it has a positive security measures. CoinEx has implemented several standard protections that may centralize exchange use, that centralized exchange use. Okay, so it has a cold storage, which I mentioned that an exchange must have this before you start purchasing or buying or trading with the exchange. It must have a cold storage. It must also have a two-factor authentications, all right, which is found in CoinEx. It has a two-factor authentication, IP alert, and also account monitoring. It happens there as well. The proof of reserves, insurance protections funds, all these are found in CoinEx. You can go about to search for this particular CoinEx and see. This is the reason I use this particular exchange, because of what? It's highly secured. Okay, So I'm going to display all of this for you to see, and also I'm going to drop the link for this exchange for you at the descriptive section of my video, so that you can use it to sign up. Go around it by yourself, because it's users friendly. All right, go around it and have some look for yourself, see what you can find there, and see how you can start engaging with this particular exchange called CoinEx. Okay, so in summary, before buying any Bitcoin or any coin in any particular exchange, you must look for regulations. Strong security and also a good reputation is very important. You must also avoid platforms with weak transparency or sketchy promises. In summary, have this at the back of your mind if you want your fund to be safe. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like buttons, don't forget to do that, and subscribe for more cryptos guide. Drop a comment also. What exchange are you thinking of using? I will help you evaluate. But I am using CoinEx. I advise you to find out on CoinEx and also use CoinEx. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.